Sabi niya rito sa taas, sabi niya, park the vehicle on level ground and wait approximately 3 minutes after turning the engine off before you check the oil. Yun yung sabi niya. I-park daw yung sasakyan sa level ground, yung pantay. Tapos, maghintay lang ng 3 minuto pagkatapos patayin yung makina, no? Siyempre, kailangan mo nang paramihin. Okay, ang first na gagawin, checking the oil, ito. Sabi niya, remove the dipstick. Kanya. So, may drawing dyan. And then, pangalawa, sabi niya rito, wipe the dipstick with a clean cloth or paper towel. So, punasan daw ng malinis na cloth or paper towel. Pwede yung wipes, yung mga ganong tissue. And then, yung pangatlo, insert the dipstick back all the way into its hole. Ibalik na yung dipstick dun sa butas, no? And then, pagkabalik, remove the dipstick again, check the level. It should be between the upper and lower marks. Add oil if necessary. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon.
Remove the dipstick. So, i-remove natin itong dipstick. Yun yung una. Sabi ng number 2, wipe the dipstick with a clean cloth or paper towel. So, lilinisin nyo kasi kailangan malinis din yung punas nyo. Tapos na, insert the dipstick back all the way into the hole. Ibalik daw sa butas. All the way, i-fit natin. Then yung number 4, remove the dipstick again and check the level. O, tanggalin daw natin ulit at i-check natin. So, titignan natin, meron kasing maximum and level yan, no? Hindi natin makita. Sa nakikita yung image, yun yung susundan nyo between maximum and minimum.